Hi everyone, I'm Laura with Mural Dreams and this is the May Paletteful Packs and it's a really heavy box. Can't wait to see what's inside. Hello and behold the May Paletteful Packs. Inside we find the Marabou Fluid Arts brush set. These are convenient fillable brushes, versatile and great for any type of art. Painting, sketching, stamping, mixed media, and more. Simply unscrew and fill with water, isopropyl alcohol, ink, watercolor, or whatever fluid art medium you desire. The retail price for them is $9.99. Then we have the white Uniball gel-packed pen, which features a rollerball tip and smooth rubber grip that provides superior comfort and control. The pen produces thick and vibrant lines, and its ink protects against water and fading, and will provide white highlights over your watercolor paintings. Then we have some paints that are a little different than traditional watercolors. The Peerless dry color sheets are made of a proprietary paper-based film that allows the paint to be mixed and used right off the sheet. The sheet does not disintegrate like normal paper would, and when you're all done painting, just allow the sheet to dry and the paint is perfectly ready to go for the next time. This pack includes 30 vibrant, transparent, handmade, non-toxic, professional-grade watercolor paints you can take with you on the go. A common question with these watercolors is, how long do the watercolors last? The short answer, a long time. There is a ton of paint on these sheets. Artist Autumn Chu has hand-selected all 30 colors contained in this set. This portable palette is incredibly easy to take anywhere you would like to practice your craft. All of the dry sheet swatches in this set are approximately 2 inches by 2 inches. Each swatch is labeled. All of the Peerless watercolor paints are handmade in Wisconsin using the same process as they used in 1885. Retail price is $25. And the last winner item in the box is the Canson XL watercolor pad, 9 inches by 12 inches. This pad features a 140-pound cold-pressed textured paper that works beautifully for a variety of techniques. The durable surface withstands repeated washes. MSRP $12.79. Well, I have to tell you that so far I'm very pleased with these art materials. I had actually ordered myself a watercolor pad from Blix as I want to do more watercolor and ink art, and if only I had a little patience, the universe provides. It doesn't matter, I'm sure that I'll use all of the sketchbooks in time. And I had a blast playing with these watercolors for an entire morning and afternoon. The prompts for the month of May are seascape, unusual, butterfly, and favorite food. This time I didn't feel like overwhelming the painting by mashing everything together, so I just chose the unusual and butterflies for my first painting. And I might post its creation in a separate video if you're interested in seeing how this was made. But then I did a seascape of a dragon-like wave, and as I was sitting outside drinking my coffee the following morning, I was inspired by some thoughts that came to mind, and I felt like sharing them with you here as they are tied to the concept of waves, the ocean, the mind, and all that metaphorical jazz. Since I can remember thinking alone, as an only child having copious time to ponder about life, the universe, and everything, I've always been obsessed with one thing mostly, the mind, my mind. The way it works, the meaning behind things, and the way we experience our consciousness. My main question that I believe is the question that we're all asking. Our never ending search for meaning is, who am I? And perhaps additionally, what am I supposed to do? And is this serious? So today I'm going to talk with you about the mind, waves, and the ocean. Well, we have a lot in common with waves. We rise, we fall, and we are all one consciousness as an ocean, and we are all water, part of the same ocean. And as an ocean waves, the mind thinks. And as waves are of many shapes and sizes, sometimes big, threatening, frightful, born in a cloudy, windy, atmospheric mood, they are also small, peaceful, gently lapping, playful, stirring up memories of water. So there are thoughts of different vibration and intensity and length. Our mind is like a restless ocean surface, always moving, always stirring, never still. And it's only natural. Movement is life. Sometimes a thought will come along, a scary, terrible, unwanted dragon of a thought, perhaps a recurrent companion that likes to visit us sometimes when the waters of our lives are turbulent. But it's only a matter of time before the storm, with its transient mind dragons, will melt back down, joining the depths in a calm, stable, unifying oceanic wholeness. Have you ever thought how it only takes for our minds to go to sleep for all of our dragons to be gone? I've always been so fascinated by the restorative power of sleep and how magical it is that you only need to power down the mind for everything to be okay, for all pain and mental discord and troubles to disappear. Where do my troubles go when I sleep, and why do we tend to look for them where we left them the following morning? Because our dragons seem a little distant in the morning when the mind is rested. The trouble is, we tend to think about them, remember them, and this is the gift and a curse of memory. And it's okay, it happens, we're human. The waves of our mind are not something to be scared of, they are natural. They come and go according to the weather out there, it seems. And we actually need them. The surface of the water can be so beautiful and complexly patterned, with so much diversity and wiggly movement. It stirs everything up and keeps things moving and flowing. There is contrast in life on the surface of our perceptions. What would life be without a little pain? Without pain, you wouldn't know the sweetness of the relief from pain. And for every lack of something, there is born the desire to have that something. And when you focus on the desire rather than the pain from the lack of it, and truly believe that it is possible, the thing will come to you. It is law. The dragons of our mind are here to help us, to guide us in understanding that we are the dragon tamer. We are the ones riding the wave, and we have more power than we think we do, because we are the observer and the creator of our own experience. It's better to be a creator than just an observer, don't you think? The power that we draw comes from within, from the still depths of the ocean. We are the consciousness that experiences itself subjectively. There is no such thing as death. Life is only a dream, and we are the imagination of ourselves. Here's Tom with the weather. Sorry, I got carried away there. But the point was, we are the dragon watcher and the dragon tamer and the rider. We are in control of our minds. And not even so much in control as rather the gentle guides of our thoughts. We can train our mind to be more kind by producing friendly dragons, ones that shine a light on the good things in our lives, ones that are grateful for the sun coming up each morning, that are in awe of the magic of our little ball of dirt and water that is spinning in perfect proximity to the fireball and the other balls of rock and gas in the dark velvet of space, appreciating the morning hot drink while hungrily breathing in the crisp morning air, appreciating marvelous art supplies, appreciating our family and friends, good health and our breath, our forever companion that never fails to ground us in the present moment, assuring us that everything is okay right now. We can make our thoughts our friend. We can tame our own dragons. Life is more fun when your dragons are your allies. So nurture them, think good thoughts, and relax more. Do more of the things that you love. Nurture your creativity. Surround yourself with beauty and beauty and joy will always follow you. The only dragon that you'll find on top of a mountain is the dragon that you bring with you. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's unboxing video and art, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and want to see more art videos, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss out on the new videos. And do let me know what you think about today's art in the comment section down below. And until next time, my friend, trust the flow.